Hi everybody, my name's Jennifer Squires and here we make, paint, create, sew and have fun. So today I'm going to do resin, but I've seen this technique on the YouTubes and the interwebs, and you can use temporary tattoos inside your silicone mould and then you pour your resin over top and it's kind of trapped in there. So I thought I'd give that a go. So I have a little bowl plate mould here, which I'm going to use to make kind of like a plant plate or a plant saucer. And just for some fun and whimsy, these are the temporary tattoos that I got, because if I have any left over, the kids will use them. So I'm going to put my hair up and I'm going to mix up some resin. I'm going to make it light blue because I think that will look fun. I'm going to get my gloves on, respirator. I've got my resin sitting here off to the side in a bath of warm water because it is now starting to get quite cold and it takes forever for things to set. So I'm just giving it a bit of a helping hand. So let's get into it. I'm going to start by putting the temporary tattoos on. I should have led with that. I am just placing the temporary tattoo face down on the mould and putting a wet napkin on the back, pressing down for 30 seconds, removing the napkin and the paper, and the tattoo is now stuck to the mould. Okay, so I fit most of the little monster tattoos on here, but I didn't want it to be too overcrowded, so you can see them there, and I'm gonna kind of make a sky blue resin, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my resin now. I mix equal parts A and B by volume and mix well for 4 minutes. I add my alcohol inks. I am using an opaque white and a light blue. I'm pouring the excess into some small moulds. Okay, it's the next day and this is about, I'd say about 85% cured, so I'm going to actually take it out of the mould because it strikes me as a mould that might get something like this when it's rigid to be really difficult to take out from the mould. So I'm going to do it now when it's still slightly pliable and I can bend it back into shape if it becomes misshapen, but I'm keeping it this way because this side looks so cool and I cannot wait to get it out of the mould. So I'm going to bring you down lower and we're going to unmold it together. I think in the future when I use this mould I'm going to cut right along here where this ridge is because it's caused this really like ugly lump at the bottom. So let's just do this. Oh good. Okay, so there's no temporary tattoos left on it here. I am so nervous. Let's come down even closer. Alright. You ready? 1, 2, 3. That is so cool! Now I do need to seal these temporary tattoos in. So I might do just a brush coat of UV resin, but that is so awesome. This is gonna be so cool for a little planter. Oh look, one of the little numbers from the temporary tattoo transfer. So we've got a little number 75, but this is adorable. Okay. You know what? I'm going to just use a regular acrylic sealer, I think. So, wait right there. All right. I have my Resin gloss varnish that I'm just going to brush all over this. So here is my cool little monster plate, and it's about the right size to sit under my Peace Lily rescue. So I might put that, you know what, let's do that now. Peace Lily, monster plate. Nice. If you like that, share the video with your friends. Welcome to all the new friends we've made in the past couple of days. That's been amazing. It's a humongous growth, especially for me. I do YouTube just for fun, and so to think that you also think it's fun, it's just really, really cool. So please like this video, share it, comment, watch it over and over and over again. A thumbs up, thumbs down, please algorithm overlords, and we will see you next time.